Why the financial gurus are rich, but most of their followers aren't? Let's think about this for a moment. The world is brimming with financial gurus, each promising the secret recipe for instant wealth. A world where success is seemingly a few smart moves away. But if their methods are so foolproof, why aren't all their followers basking in riches? Here's a thought. Could it be an illusion? A well-crafted mirage that paints a picture of easy wealth? Notice the gap. The gurus, they're living the high life. The followers, well, still following. If the path was so clear-cut, shouldn't there be more success stories? This is not to discredit all financial advice, but rather to question the disparity. Why is there such a wide chasm between the gurus' financial status and that of their followers? So are these financial gurus the golden ticket to wealth? Let's delve deeper. The financial guru industry is booming, but how did it all start? Well, it's a tale as old as time. As long as there's been money, there's been someone claiming they know the best way to make it grow. But the modern era of financial gurus, that's something new. It all began with the democratization of information, courtesy of the internet. Suddenly, everyone had access to financial knowledge that was once confined to Wall Street. As the digital age progressed, so did the rise of personalities who claimed to have the secret sauce to financial success. They became popular for their apparent transparency, their charisma, and their promise of a life of riches. Social media amplified their reach, allowing them to connect with millions across the globe. These financial gurus capitalized on the common desire to attain financial freedom and the fear of living paycheck to paycheck. Ever bought something because the ad was convincing, only to be disappointed later? We've all been there, haven't we? This, my friends, is the marketing trap, and it's a game that financial gurus are particularly good at playing. These gurus, they know how to sell. They use flashy presentations and persuasive language to convince us of their expertise. They promise quick riches and financial freedom, often through the purchase of their books, courses, or services. You've seen it, right? The luxury cars, the lavish lifestyles, it's all part of a carefully crafted image designed to draw us in. But here's the catch. Real wealth creation isn't achieved through buying into someone else's formula. It's a personalized journey that requires patience, knowledge, and sound financial habits. So, the next time you're tempted by a guru's shiny sales pitch, remember to look beyond the marketing. Because let's face it, not all that glitters is gold. Can a single diet work for everyone? Similarly, can one financial advice fit all? Imagine trying to squeeze into a one-size-fits-all tuxedo. It's uncomfortable, right? That's exactly what happens when we apply generic financial advice to our unique economic situations. This is the oversimplification problem. Just as we all have different body types and dietary needs, we also have different financial health conditions and requirements. In the world of finance, there's no magic formula or secret sauce that's universally applicable. Your financial strategy should be tailored to your income level, your expenses, your goals, and your risk tolerance. It should take into account your personal circumstances, from your career trajectory to your familial responsibilities. Generic advice can be a good starting point, but it can't replace personalized strategies. To truly thrive, you need to understand your own financial landscape and navigate it with a custom-fit plan. Personal finance, after all, should be personal. In a rapidly changing world, can old strategies still work? Let's ponder upon this. Traditional financial advice often advocates for strategies that were effective in a bygone era. These include buying and holding stocks for the long term, investing in bonds for secure returns, or banking on real estate as a surefire wealth builder. However, the economic landscape has shifted dramatically in recent years. The advent of technology has introduced new investment avenues, such as cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Low interest rates have diminished the appeal of bonds, and the real estate market has become increasingly unpredictable. Moreover, the rise of gig economy and remote work has altered income structures, challenging the applicability of old budgeting and saving strategies. The fact of the matter is, yesterday's financial wisdom might not serve today's economic realities. So it's time we reassess. Time we adapt. Time we move forward from outdated strategies, because the world is evolving, and so should our financial strategies. Is blind trust a risk when it comes to your money? Absolutely, and here's why. Handing over the reins of your financial destiny to someone else, without fully understanding their advice or questioning their methods, is akin to playing Russian roulette with your life savings. Imagine it this way. You wouldn't let someone else entirely dictate your diet without knowing what's on your plate, would you? So why should your financial health be any different? Every financial strategy has its own set of risks and rewards. It's crucial to grasp these aspects before making any moves. Moreover, the world of finance is ever evolving. What worked 5 years ago might not work today. That's why it's essential to stay informed and adaptable. Blind trust can lead to blinding regret. So don't just follow, understand, question, learn. The best safeguard against financial missteps is knowledge and awareness. Your money, your responsibility. Have you ever considered the emotional aspect of money and wealth? Money, you see, is more than just a tool for trade. It carries with it a weight of emotions. Joy, fear, guilt, freedom, and sometimes even a sense of identity. We often tie our self-worth to our net worth, and this emotional connection can significantly impact our financial decisions. Think about the thrill of a shopping spree, the guilt of an impulse buy, or the fear of an empty bank account. These emotions can drive us to make choices that may not align with our long-term financial goals. Some of us may hoard money out of fear, while others may spend recklessly in pursuit of fleeting happiness. Understanding your emotional relationship with money is the first step towards making sound financial decisions. It's about harnessing these feelings and directing them towards a positive financial future. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about feelings too. So if not the gurus, what really builds wealth? Let's get down to brass tacks. It's not about quick fixes, hot tips, or secret formulas. It's about discipline, patience, and informed decision-making. Wealth building starts with discipline. It's about curbing your immediate wants for the sake of your long-term needs. It's about setting aside a little bit of what you earn today so you can reap the benefits tomorrow. This means creating a budget, sticking to it, and consistently saving and investing a portion of your income. Next comes patience. Building wealth is a long-term game. It's not about overnight success or getting rich quick. It's about compounding your investments over time. It's about understanding that the most substantial returns come from staying invested, not from jumping in and out of the market trying to time it perfectly. And finally, informed decision-making. This means doing your own research, understanding the investments you're making, and not just blindly following advice. Understand the risks and rewards of different investment options. Make decisions that fit your long-term goals and your ability to handle risk. Wealth building also means diversifying your investments and not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps to smooth out those ups and downs and protects you from the risk of a single investment failing. It's about understanding that taxes and fees can eat into your returns and making smart choices to minimize these costs. It's about being strategic with your investments and using tax-advantaged accounts to maximize your returns. It's also about understanding that there will be setbacks along the way. There will be market downturns and there will be losses. But wealth building is about staying the course, not panicking, and not letting these temporary setbacks derail your long-term plans. How can you take control of your financial journey? It starts with financial literacy. You see, understanding the basics of personal finance is like having a map in the wilderness. It won't necessarily tell you where to go, but it will definitely help you avoid getting lost. It's about understanding how money works, how to earn it, how to save it, and how to grow it. But financial literacy is more than just understanding the mechanics of money. It's also about understanding your relationship with money. What are your financial goals? What are your financial fears? What are your financial habits? These are questions that need to be answered if you want to take control of your financial journey. Self-empowerment is another critical component of managing personal finances. It's about taking responsibility for your financial decisions. It's about not blaming others for your financial situation. It's about not waiting for someone else to come and fix your financial problems. It's about standing up and saying, "This is my money, and I'm going to take care of it." This doesn't mean that you have to do everything on your own. You can and should seek advice from financial professionals, but it's important to remember that it's your money, and ultimately, you're the one who's going to be affected by the financial decisions that you make. So how can you increase your financial literacy and self-empowerment? Start by educating yourself. Read books, watch videos, attend seminars. There's a wealth of information out there, and much of it is free. Then, apply what you've learned. Make a budget. Start investing. Establish an emergency fund. The more you practice managing your money, the better you'll get at it. Taking control of your financial journey isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about making informed financial decisions, taking responsibility for those decisions, and continuously learning and growing. It's a journey, not a destination. So, can you carve out your path to financial freedom? Absolutely. But it's crucial to understand that the journey is uniquely yours, shaped by your decisions, actions, and circumstances. The key points we've discussed in this video all point towards one truth. Personal responsibility and informed decision-making are the real drivers of wealth building. Financial gurus may offer tempting shortcuts and easy answers, but remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in finance. Your financial journey is yours alone. Make it count. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom.